Hare Krishna. Ramananda Rai is a very close associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The scriptures explain that Ramananda Rai is a combined incarnation of Arjuna and Vishaka Sakhi. So just like Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself is a combined avatar of Radha and Krishna, for Srimati Radharani, Vishaka Sakhi was her constant associate, and for Lord Krishna, Arjuna was Lord Krishna's best friend. So we can imagine how close Ramananda Rai is to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Ramananda Rai was born in this particular avatar in a village called Bentpur, very close to Jagannath Puri. And then finally Ramananda Rai goes to become the governor of Kovur, a district on the banks of Godavari. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu takes sannyas and is going in the South Indian tour, so Mahaprabhu meets Ramananda Rai on the banks of Godavari, and they have such beautiful and such deep discussion. In the Bhagavad Gita, you have Arjuna asking questions and Lord Krishna answering. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, in this particular episode, the same Arjuna comes as Ramananda Rai and the same Krishna comes as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But in this particular discussion, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is asking questions and Ramananda Rai is answering. So we can imagine the position of Ramananda Rai is answering the questions of Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu is asking Ramananda Rai, what is the perfection of life? And Ramananda Rai begins his discourse explaining Varnashram Dharma, Karma Arpanam to Lord Krishna, Karma Sannyas, Gyan Mishra Bhakti, and Mahaprabhu is hearing more and more. Finally, Ramananda Rai comes to the point of Shuddha Bhakti, and Mahaprabhu is asking Ramananda Rai what is beyond this. And Ramananda Rai explains the Bhakti of the Vrajavasis, the Bhakti that the parents of Lord Krishna had for Lord Krishna, the friends of Lord Krishna had, and finally Ramananda Rai comes to the Bhakti of the Gopis, and on the highest platform, the Bhakti of Srimati Radharani. This conversation between Ramananda Rai and Mahaprabhu is considered to be the highest discussion. Bhagavad Gita, which is also a conversation between Arjuna and Lord Krishna, is considered to be the graduate study, and this conversation is considered to be the postgraduate study. So Mahaprabhu is so happy hearing all these concepts from Ramananda Rai. Finally, Mahaprabhu tells Ramananda Rai, when I go to Jagannath Puri, you please come and join me. So Ramananda Rai gives up his job as the governor and joins Mahaprabhu. From that point on, Ramananda Rai is a constant associate of Mahaprabhu, especially during Mahaprabhu's final pastimes called Antya Leela. Ramananda Rai is constantly there with Mahaprabhu. So we can all sincerely pray to Ramananda Rai to seek his blessings, seek his mercy, so that we also can develop love for Krishna in our life. Hare Krishna.